here. Make
Welding.
together like this. You see? Make here. Connect together. See? Smaller. The curve is perfect.
The size is also good.
Yeah. Now we check this quality. See the thickness, the tube thickness. 1.2 the thickness.
Also the material for tube.
Yeah. And you see our worker, our experience. They have been working here more than 6 years. Our experience.
Yeah.
So no problem for quality.
It's also shipped by robot.
Yeah, robot. Hard and do this by robot. And some work had to do by the hand, by the person. But some work can be do with robot.